Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect ManyChat to a Facebook page. All right, so first up, log into your ManyChat account. And then once you're in here, just go ahead and go to the left panel, click on settings. Now, as you can see here under channels, we don't have a specific Facebook page, but we do have Messenger. So Messenger right here connects to your Facebook page. Okay, so that particular Facebook page got a Messenger. All right. So both your Facebook page and that specific page's Messenger will be connected right here. So just basically click on Messenger and connect. It says here, connect Facebook page. Follow the instruction to create your first Messenger automation. So as you can see here, I already have connected a page before. So yours might be different. You'll be able to see a connect button or add button right here. Just click on it, log in with your Facebook account where the page is linked. Okay. Follow simple prompts, hit on connect. And then it will just ask you why you wanted to connect your Facebook page to ManyChat. Also, why do you want to use ManyChat for your Facebook page? So on and so forth. Okay, just basic questions. You can go ahead and skip it. Just click on next, next, next. And then you'll be able to see this big congratulation screen. Okay, and after that, just click on let's start. And once done, you're good to go. You can go ahead and check it out right here at the top left. Okay, under your profiles, as you can see here, I have the missing page, which is actually the Facebook page. And at the top left, once more, here I have my Instagram. All right, and that's how you connect a ManyChat to Facebook page. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.